It is already known to all of us that Nepal is a country rich in water resource, and here are a lot of rivers, lakes, ponds and waterfalls. Hello and namaste. This is me Sandesh Neubane and you are watching the Sandesh Neubane. In this video, I will be telling you about the 5 longest rivers of Nepal. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And how is the video? Comment at the end. If you like the video, press the like button. And don't forget to share it with your friends so that they also can know about it. At number 5, we have Bagmati. Bagmati River is one of the main rivers of Nepal. These rivers originate from Bagdwar and enters Pashupati through Sundarijal. Then it merges with Bishnumati at Teku. Similarly, Hanumante is also known as its tributary. This river flows towards Tarai after cutting the Chobar. In Tarai, it has its own characteristics. The river is considered as a holy river in Hinduism and Buddhism, and Hindus are born on the banks of the river after their death, while Kirats are buried on the banks of the river. Before cremation, according to Nepalese Hindus, it is believed their soul will be cleansed by tapping 3 times in Bagmati. Even if we look at it from its origin, you can see many temples on the banks of the river. The length of this river is 586 km when it originates from Bagdwar in Kathmandu and flows through Chobar to Tarai and Kosi in India. Along with this, Bagmati is number 5 in Nepal's longest river. At number 4, we have Western Rapti. The Western Rapti flows from the central western part of Nepal. It merges with the Ghaghara River from Awadh and Purvanchal Kshetra in India and merges with the Ganges. A significant population of Kham Magar can be found in the hills along the Rapti coast and Tharus in the inner plains. Its water is also used for irrigation and has a lot of potential to produce a lot of electricity. It is also known as Sorrow of Gorakhpur. It originates from the western Dhaulagiri of the east-west Parbat range and about midway between the Mahabharat. The 3,500-meter high mountain of this range have 3 divisions. The Karnali and Gandaki rivers are on the north, while the Rapti and Small Babai river are on the south. After reaching India, both of them merge separately in Karnali. Till then, its length is 600 km, and along with this, Western Rapti is number 4 in Nepal's longest river. At number 3, we have Gandaki. Gandaki River, which is also known as Narayani River. This river is one of the major rivers of Nepal and is also a major tributary of the Ganges after reaching India. This river is famous for its deep gorges in the Himalayan and mountainous region of Nepal. On the banks of this river, there are 3 mountains above 8,000 meters, including Dhaulagiri, Manaslu, and Annapurna. After going down from Gaidakot, it is called Narayani or Saptagandaki, in which Kaligandaki and Trisuli are mixed. And Trisuli also has Daraudi, Seti, Mardi, Marsangdi, and Budi Gandaki as its assistants. The Gandaki also joins the Ganges near Patna until its length is 630 km, and along with it, the Gandaki or Narayani is number 3 in the longest river of Nepal. At number 2, we have Kosi. The Kosi is a tri-nation river that flows through China's Tibet, Nepal, and India. After descending from the Chatara Ghat, it is also known as the Saptakosi, which joins its 7 main tributaries, including the Tamor, which originates from Kanchenjunga, the Arun and Sunkosi from Tibet, the Dudkosi, the Tamakosi, Likhu River, and Indravati River. The Saptakosi flows into the Kursel in India and merges with the Ganges. The Saptakosi is also known as Sorrow of Bihar. Between Saptari and Sunsari district, Kosi barrage has been constructed on the border of Nepal and India, which protects from flood and is used for irrigation. From its source to the other river, its length is 729 km, and along with this, Kosi is the second longest river in Nepal. And finally, at number 1 we have Karnali. Karnali is also a tri-nation river. It is also known as perennial river, which means that it flows throughout the year. Its source is near Mansarovar Lake in the Tibetan province of China. Then it flows through various parts of Nepal and joins the Ganges in India. Karnali is the largest river among the tributaries of the Ganges. Its tributaries include Seti, Veri, Rapti, Budiganga and Mahakali. After entering India, Karnali flows along the banks of Ayodhya, which is called Sarayu or Ghagara. Until then, its length is 1080 km, and along with it, Karnali ranks first among the longest rivers of Nepal. Thank you for watching the video till end. How was the video? Please comment down in the comment section. If you like the video, please press the like button and don't forget to share it with your friends so they also can know about the place. And if you are new to my channel, please press that subscribe button and don't forget to press that notification bell. Hope to meet you soon in next video. Till then, bye bye.